A new dredging technology promises to reduce significantly the total dredging time from 10% to 30%, with the most likely reduction of 25%. However, it will increase the costs of new equipment by 205% of a total project cost. Is it worth the investment in new technology? This is easy for 7 risk. We set up a new risk 21, use of new dredging technology, as an estimate uncertainty type of risk. We do not need to add any pre-mitigated position. We jump directly to add an action by adding a cost of 200 and assigning it to the cost item of mantle dredging itself. We add a post-mitigated schedule impact using a beta PERT distribution ranging from 70% as a minimum, 75% as a most likely, and 90% as a maximum. This represents respective savings from 30% to 10% with respect to the original position. At the risk mapping, we make sure this newly created uncertainty is matched only to the newly created mantle dredging activity. We now run a pre-mitigation analysis. This means running a Monte Carlo simulation. After the simulation is run, we send results to compare on the schedule histogram duration. We write a name for this scenario as old technology. Going back to distribution graph and shifting to the cost histogram, we also send to comparison this histogram and make sure that the scenarios are properly named again as old technology for both duration and cost. Back on the Analyze tab, we change to post mitigation only on risk 21 of new dredging technology, and we run again a simulation. Once the simulation is over, we send results to distribution comparisons for both the cost and schedule histograms. We make sure on both comparison charts that the respective scenario names are changed to new technology. Observe that there are 2 tabs on the comparison chart, one for duration and one for cost. By comparing cost at its 80th percentile, it increases in 8 with the new technology, less than 0.2% of total deterministic project cost. This is the total net effect on the project by including 200 of explicit costs minus the cost savings generated on a decreased dredging activity duration, since cost has been previously fully integrated to activity durations. On the other hand, total project duration at its 80th percentile decreases in 90 days, almost 4% decrease on total project duration. In other words, the savings in total duration are overcompensated 24 times the increased relative cost of the project. It seems as though it is worth testing this new technology.